Many times it required to work in Excel with multiple files. Currently, I do have one file open here, one file here, two files are open. When you want to work in two files, how you used to work around? Minimize one of them and keeping two files open at a time, right? Yes or no? Okay. Have you tried opening different worksheet at a time in a workbook? See, here are two different workbooks. One is this, another is this. But if you want to open two different worksheets from a single workbook, suppose I want to open two different worksheets of this particular workbook. Can we open it? Yes, it is possible. See, this is how I open the ribbon. If you want to close the ribbon, minimize the ribbon from here, it will close. If you want to go around any of the tab, just click on it, temporarily it will open, access the utility and click on the cell, it will go back. Or control F1. Control F1. Okay, now I want to open two different sheets, that is this worksheet as well as this. Whatever current knowledge you have, you could not open these two sheets at a time. But here in Excel you can open it. Go to view, go to new window. The moment you click on new window, see what happens with the file name here. Currently the file name is so and so Pune, right? I will click on new window and see what happens. What is that? Pune:2. I repeat, here is the normal file, normal workbook, normal workbook, wherein I want to open two different worksheets of same workbook. Look at the file name here at the top when you click on new window. It is Pune:2, right? Means :1 is somewhere. If you want to get it, one way is restore window from here. So Pune:1 is here, Pune:2 is here. You can adjust the sizes herein and open it for whatever size of individual window and access two different sheets. One is this, which we had gone through earlier, and this one. See, what happens is, it is not all the time we work in single worksheet. It requires to work in different 2, 3, 4 different worksheets many times. But now with this, I am sure you can go on opening different worksheet. If you again click on new window, it will again open third one. How to arrange it with the utility of Excel? You have now here three different worksheets open for you. Go to arrange all, and what way you want to have? You want to have it horizontal, click on horizontal. There are 3, 1, 2 and 3. Are you getting it? If you want to have little bigger, minimize the ribbon. If you want to close any one of them, close it from here, rest two will open. Secondly, when I am saying that there are two different worksheets, both the worksheets are live for you for data editing or data entry. It is not that I am working in this worksheet is not updating my data in this worksheet. It's not like that. It is the same worksheet, just for the sake of viewing you, these two are separate. I will demonstrate it. Suppose you are entering this is my data I entered in the cell F2 here. Now I will go here and check it in this. So it is just for the sake of viewing. Those two are different. Actually it is a single entity, single file.